How to share PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp mobile. For this, open up any document application that you use. So right here, you have to go ahead and find the presentation that you want to share. Tap on the three dot icon and you will find the option of Share as Link to your WhatsApp. If you want to share it as a file, tap on Share as File and select WhatsApp. It will display list of contacts to whom you want to share the presentation to. Just go ahead and tap on any contact that you want to. And just like that, your presentation will be shared to your WhatsApp mobile. You can also conduct this process using your WhatsApp itself. For that, all you have to do is tap on this paperclip icon at the bottom. Then it will display you with a bunch of options. You have to select Document. From here, you can browse to the file that you're looking for to share in your WhatsApp mobile. Just go ahead and tap on the presentation file that you want to share in your WhatsApp. And just like that, you'll be able to share your presentation to your WhatsApp group as well. If you do not have this feature, make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. For that, open up your Play Store or an App Store. Then check for an update bubble. If there is an update, leave it for an update. If not, go ahead and uninstall the application and install it once again. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.